räägime siis, et mis nüüd lähemalt juhtus?
Tähendab, antud hetkel on siis siuke seis, et mingil teatud põhjusel auto nagu ei tööta, ja noh, poisid on pisut kangekaalised ja kuula mind, et ma juba tean, milles on asi, aga noh, eks ma ei hakka neile ette ka ütlema, et iseseisvad poisid siin hullud rallimehed, et las siis ise hammustavad asja läbi, aga põhimõtteliselt ma arvan, et üks 15 minutit ja ralli peaks jätkuma.
Nii, aga mis siis sinu arvamus on, mis siis nagu lahti on?
Minupoolne arvamus on see, et eks amatöörid on amatöörid.
Kes selle autoroolis muidu on?
Selle autoroolis on Madise Vanaselja.
Ja kuidas tänane ralli on läinud?
Tänane ralli etapp ütleme niimoodi, et great success, no big problems, everything was smooth and fine, all the curves are really good.
Okay.
The tires are kummid pisut kulunud.
Okay, and what about snow?
The snow is really fine. It's really hot out here, and all the snow is really cold at the moment.
Okay, and what is the car Madis Vanaselja drives?
What?
The car what Madis Vanaselja drives is?
It's Toyota, some kind of series that I don't. No, it is Toyota for sure, and it is like 600 brake horsepower, so if you put all the turbo pressure on and...
Okay. And tell me, what about the car? What happened?
It is really hard question at the moment, because all the mechanics are at the moment dealing with the problem. Busy, yes.
What is your name?
My name is Berta. What is your name?
I don't know yet.
Peppe Mikanen.
Yeah.
And what about the rally today? Very good?
Not very good.
Why?
Today.
Why?
Because of the snow.
Because of the very hard conditions in the road.
Okay, and what is your position on the rally?
I think last, but I'm pretty happy.
Why?
Because it's in the opposite way, it's the first, you know?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
And what about Kiku vahele sidur?
Kiku vahele?
Hey, the last one on the position.
The Peppe is
what tell me about the tooth on the sidur?
Broken.
No, what is the Kiku vahele sidur or something like that?
Know.
Tell me about it. Kiku vahele sidur.
What is your name?
What you?
Water.
You want water?
And what about the business? How it's going, the negotiations?
60-50, all money.
60, you all.
What is all?
All.
We officially all.
And how they...
Not very good.
Why?
Ask me later.
What is your business plan? What is your business plan?
Big business. Zoo.
So big business.
Zoo.
And what
animal. Zoo
park.
Zoo park.
My screen is black. I don't see nobody.
What kind of a camera is this?
It's a new HD 3D.
3D?
3D.
Really?
Yes. No, it's a 4D. If you watch it, your chair is moving.
But what is going on with this Opel and the competition?
Oh, this Opel is the first one. It is sometimes 4 VD and sometimes 2 VD. If the last one on the position goes in the snow and stock there, then the Opel is...
I don't know what happened. Something came right up to Timo's ass. Very difficult today.
This Opel is very good machine, but the gas is broken. It's dead.
What you?
Water.
What you?
I don't want to.
Ütleme selle toetasin ja teie paugutame edasi, jah?
Jah.
Okay.
Who is on our car? Who knows? Okay.